Hello, and welcome to technically week one of my Thought a Week channel. Last week was just an about video, so I didn't really do anything for that. So I spent basically this whole past week thinking about what I want to do for my first creation, I guess. And what I came up with is something I'm really interested in. I like sound mixing on movies. So whenever I tell people this, they always think, "Oh, like music," and that's not exactly it. It's all the sound effects and the mixture of music and voice and gunfire and explosions and footsteps and all that stuff that you hear in a movie, and hardly any of it is actual recorded audio. So what I did this week is I went out and I did a similar thing for a class last semester. I went out and I found a cool location, and this location happens to be a playground not too far from my school. Uh, and I went to our video department, our audio video department, and I got some microphones. So I went around and I recorded myself on all these things, and I compiled a soundtrack that you might hear at this location. And I do have a picture of this location that I will have up on screen during the sound, so you can see what I'm portraying, I guess. It's not a video with it, it's just a still picture. So there's not really much more of a visual aspect to this. But it's about a minute long, um, and every sound that you hear in there is either me, myself, or that I had other people do and I recorded it. So I hope you find it interesting. Well, thanks for watching, or in this week's case, listening. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week with a new thing. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. I'll probably figure out by like Friday. Do it over the weekend. We'll see. Hey, so real quick, just gonna comment on why this looks kinda terrible. So I went to boot up my video software to publish this video and then put it up, and it just kept crashing and it didn't want to work. So while I'm trying to get that fixed, I'm using a different video editor that I'm not super used to, and I still wanted to get this video up on time because I figured, if your first video is late, what the fuck are you doing? So hopefully I'll have it fixed and it'll be better quality next week. I hope.